lovelies, Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you guys so much for joining today. Thank you for coming in. I do appreciate you guys so much. I am always happy to bring you guys videos every week, new content every week. Please stay subscribed, watch the videos to the end, and of course make sure your notifications are turned on. So I am going to be testing out a foundation today. This is from Maybelline. This is a Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. And this is in the shade 330. And it's called Toffee Caramel. But I feel that this is a little bit light. This is new to my collection. I'm not quite sure if I showed you guys this before. So I've already done my eyes just to save time. And I use the Stay Juicy palette. This is from Sheglam. And I use Beverly Hills on the hood of my eyes, Oscar Gold on the lid, and Stay Grounded in the corner just to give me a little bit of a smokiness. And that's all I've done with that palette. Black eyeliner. Everything I use is going to be in the description box for you guys. Okay? And so let me prep my face right now. It's not going to be a long process for my face prep today. I'm just going to start with my vitamin C under eye brightening cream, and this is from Garnier. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of this in the back of my hand. I've spoken about this product before. This is on my website if you want to get some more details. And I'm just going to start under my eyes, and this is going to help to brighten under my eyes. Okay, I don't have any product, so I can use my hands, and I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, this is nicely blended, and I'm now going to go in with a concealer, and just to help to lighten up the dark circles under my eyes. I'm not going to go hog wild with this. I'm just going to do little dots here and there because I don't want this to be too much under my eyes. And of course I'm going to take a brush and we're just going to blend that out. And again, I always like to blend up because this technique really gives you a cat eye look, and it also helps to lift the eyes as well. Okay, nicely balanced. My face is completely even right now. And again, blend up so we can maintain that lift. So next I'm going in with my CoverGirl Color Corrector Serum Moisturizing Primer. You guys know I love this product. And again, if you're dark skin, this shade is for you. Okay. On a foundation brush, we are going to put this all over the face, and we are going to blend this out. It's a primer, a moisturizer, and a color corrector all in one. This is an amazing product from CoverGirl. And do you see how nicely my face is completely even? Guys, if you don't get this product to use under your foundation, you have gone wild. You are missing out. And of course, if you want to go in with powder on top of this, go right ahead. I've done that several times. Okay. Okay, so now we are going in with foundation, and again, this is from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me foundation. This is the Matte Poreless foundation, number 330, Toffee Caramel. And I have a feeling this is way too light for my skin, so I'm just going to shake this up a little, because normally when I'm buying foundation, this is my shade, Toffee or Caramel, okay, or maybe Pecan. That's my shade. But we'll see how this is going to fit. If it's too light, we will balance this out with powder, okay? And it feels really watery to me, so we're just going to start putting this on the face. And again, it seems pretty light. Well, let's just go straight blending and we'll see how this looks. First impression, this foundation dries down to a matte finish, fits my skin absolutely perfectly, okay? Very light, watery, consistent. If you want, you can build this up if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I thought this was going to be way too light for my face. In my camera, yes, I can see it looks a little light. I'm looking at myself in my mirror. It's not. It's a perfect fit for my face, and I absolutely love that. This is really perfect. Again, dries down very, very fast. I really like this foundation. Perfect fit. So I'm going in with a little concealer today. I did not really want to do that, but I'm going to be putting on just a little today. And this is a True Match from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to leave the shade somewhere below for you guys. And I'm just going to do a little dot. And this dot goes up just like so. Again, because we want to maintain that cat eye feeling. Foundation brush I just used, I am going to be using the same brush to blend this out. Nice and easy, just like so. And I'm basically blending up and I'm tapping at the same time. With not too much effort, okay? There you go. And I'm tapping gently because I don't want my foundation to be messed up. And it doesn't look like it's going to mess up my foundation, although I'm still going in very, very, very light. And there we be. Okay, so now I am going to be using this setting powder from AnnaBelle. We talked about this in a drugstore haul the other day. So we are going to open this up and we are going to remove the plastic. Okay, let's just take a minute to remove that. And there we go. And of course inside you can see, you may not be able to see it, but it says AB. Now, I have a very small brush here. This is a set of brush I got from Temu, but if you see these brushes online, guys, don't buy them. They're not very good brushes. I was putting on my foundation one day and the bristles were coming out and I thought, no, Temu, no, no. So anyways, I'm going to use this little brush right now. And I'm just going to set this. As a matter of fact, let me just put some in the cover. I like this powder. I love this powder. It brightens up your under eyes so nicely. Do you see that? Very, very, very nice. Love that. And nothing has affected my foundation that I've put on my face. Nothing has. So do you see how lovely this looks? I mean, look at that. Really, really pretty. And it really does help to brighten up under the eyes. And again, this is from AnnaBelle. And this is their banana powder. Okay. I do love that look that I'm getting right now. That's a beautiful lift. How pretty is that? Okay, so now we're going in with powder, NW47. And I know, yes, I've used this powder many, many times. And I know you guys must be saying, Odette, another powder maybe? No, hell no. I'm going to be using this powder until it's panned, okay? NW47 from MAC, and we're just going to powder up right now. And again, guys, I know you must be saying, look, it looks really light on camera, but from where I'm sitting, it ain't light, okay? It's perfect match for my face, okay? I'm just going to run my brush over my highlight. Okay, so now we're going in with the blush, and I showed you guys the blush in that drugstore haul the other day from Wet n Wild, and this is called Pinch Me Pink, okay? And so slight shimmer on this, but we are going to be putting a little bit of this on them cheeks, okay? And I'm just doing it right here. Just up like that. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that. It has a very, very, very light shimmer to it. Just up in the temple, just like so, okay? You guys can see that. Just like that. So that looks really good. Keep a little bit of that in the temple, okay? And just once over the cheek, because I don't really want the cheek to be too much. And that looks so good. I love that. Now we are going in with this lipstick. Now this is from Black Radiance. Now this lipstick will come across like it's a little bit dark. It's gonna look like it's a little bit gothic, but it's really not. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder over my lips. Just like so. And we are going in with this foundation. No, it's not a foundation. We're going in with the lipstick, okay? Okay, now you can see that it's a little dark. I got the lip brush right here. I'm going in with a lip liner. This is from MAC. This is my Night Moth lip liner. And we are going to make this lipstick work. It has to, okay? Okay, let's go in with the lip brush and we are going to blend this baby out, okay? Better. Look at how pretty that is. I like that. That is really, really pretty. This is very, very pretty. Okay, again, the lipstick is from Black Radiance, and I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. Okay, so now we are going to be using this setting spray. Now remember this from my drugstore haul. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is a Fight Dirty setting spray. This is going to lock in your makeup, detox your pores, keep your face completely mattified and set. Okay, it's good product for your skin. Don't take my word for it. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to mist the face right now. Ah, yes. So we're gonna take a minute to dry this down. Okay, I think we're completely dry right now. So I'm just gonna take my Blot powder back to the same brush, and we're just gonna tap the forehead. And we're done. We'll finish with the makeup. Okay, let's just pull the hair out. I am going to be using my Carol's Daughter setting spray. And we are just going to spray this baby down, okay? And I'm also going in with Cream of Nature. This is the Gloss and Shine Mist. We are going to stay away from the face, okay? I'm going to leave these two things in the description box for you guys. I've done it before because, you know, I always get questions like, what do you use on your units? Well, I tell you guys everything, okay? Okay, my loves, here we go. We are basically done with the makeup. What do you guys think? I love this look. I absolutely love this look. I love the way my eyes looking, this kind of cat eye look. And I learned this trick on TikTok. So if you're not on TikTok, you're missing out. You're missing out a lot of stuff because the things that you would learn on TikTok, I never knew human beings can be so smart, okay? Anywho, this is the finished look of the makeup. Very nice. I love the foundation. It's not too light on my face. This is 330, and again, this is a Toffee Caramel shade. So if you do have my skin tone, this is for you. You can balance this out with your own concealers, your own powders, and however you prep your face would be great. And of course, for me, skin prep is important, okay? And again, these are all drugstore products, and everything I use on my face is going to be in the description box for you. The description box is your friend. Okay, and again, don't forget to check out the giveaway. It's for my Canadian subscribers only. You are going to be receiving $100 gift card to shop at Sephora. Now, who would not want $100 to shop at Sephora? I mean, like, come on. So please enter the giveaway. I will be picking somebody. It's going to be open for a bit. When the giveaway is going to be closed, I'm going to inform you guys that the giveaway is closed, but I'm going to be picking one of my Canadian subscribers. And of course, next time, it's going to be obviously international. Okay? So we're going to leave it here for today, guys, okay? This is the end of the video. Everything that I use on my face is going to be down in the description box for you. And I really hope you guys will be able to pick up something that I've used on my face today. Fight Dirty Wet n Wild Setting Spray. This is a game changer for your makeup, guys. And of course, always try to take care of your skin. Please, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. My name is Odette. Please come back next week again for another video. And I shall see you next time. Toodles.